Alright, we're back at the course after it's been cleaned up. I'm going to do a little bit of running of a few things out here today. We're going to have a little competition with the minis. See what they can do on a couple of obstacles against each other. We got this big Everest, I believe it's an Everest chassis that I've been messing around with on and off. I haven't brought it out and driven it anywhere in a long time, but it's kind of ugly, kind of not the greatest crawler, but I don't think I've ever brought it out here to the course, and if I have, it's been a long time, so I figured I'd bring it out just to mess around a little bit. So let's have some fun. You ready?
Yeah.
So we've got the FMS Max Smasher, which isn't focusing. There we go. The RC four-wheel drive TF2.
With a Lego figure in it.
Yep. We're going to see if either one of them can actually make it up this climb right here.
This is Dad.
Go slow. Pay attention to what you're doing. See, you're going to have to find a good line to go up. If you don't make it up, then it's my turn. You try this side.
This is actually one of my favorite videos.
Whoa, I don't know if these guys are going to get up here. You try the left side. Stick to the left side. I don't think either one of these are going to do it. Let me try yours and see. Probably a little too steep for these little guys. Come back here and go through the tunnels and stuff. Stuck. Log crawl.
You mean this one? You mean this one?
Yeah.
You can go up the stick. The only one I haven't tried the log.
See that? There you go. Keep going.
I can't do the stick crawl.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried it already.
It was going. It goes. Hit you. Keep going. Stay back. Oh, It's a good try.
Yeah, that happened last time, but
Yeah.
And goes down the same way my car is. That's cool. Is that what is it like this?
Well, there's nothing to hook it up to.
Can I see that?
Not right this second. All right, all in all, the course was like 99% still drivable. The hose ladder ramp, whatever, held up. I wasn't sure if that one was going to hold up. You definitely need to prop this back up under here. I couldn't make that turn because of that. And then the big gaping hole over here. Definitely gonna have to put some more wood down across all that, but everything else was good. Maybe put up some more flags. It's not a hard course, as you can see. You know, maybe if you had a class 1 or something, but all these class 2 and better rigs go through it pretty easy. But you put some flags up, you can make it as hard as you want to. So yeah, that's it. We had a fun little run out here. You can see that neither one of these little trucks made it up the tube over there. What? But as you can see, neither one of those little rigs made it up this thing. It's just too steep of an incline. They just flip right back. But that's about it. So just wanted to show you guys a little run through of the course. It's been about a year since we've done that. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Wave.
Forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.